Assalamu alaikum. This is our third video talking about التسوق shopping for year 6 الصف السادس. Today we're going to explain how to change. It's a grammar lesson actually. It's how to change from verb in present tense to verb in past tense. Let's start. The verb in present tense فعل مضارع with أنا I. The verb is starting with a. However, the verb, it's the same for all. So أنا أذهب أشرب I drink آكل I eat ألعب I play أسمع I listen أمشي I walk. For هو, the verb starts with ي. Like يذهب, he is going to. يذهب يلعب يسمع. هي تسمع تذهب تأكل. However, the verb starting by ت. When I'm talking about نحن, we, I'll just ignore this one for a while. I'll go for نحن. It's a more popular and easier for the students to remember it. نحن, we. نحن نذهب نأكل نسمع. Okay, so what will happen if I change to the past? A little bit change will happen, as you see. أشرب, I am drinking. أشرب. When you change this one to the past, you need to delete a, add t. So أشرب, I'm drinking, present tense. Change it to past tense with 2 steps only. Delete a, add t. But put ضمة above it. So شربت أشرب شربت أسمع سمعت ألعب لعبت. What if I'm talking about he? يشرب. This is verb in the present tense. To change it to past tense, you need to delete ya, because ya actually this first letter of each, it's a sign for the verb in the present tense. So that's why I need to delete it or cancel it. So it's not present anymore. When I take ya away, it became now past tense. Do I have to add something? No. If I'm talking about he, the only step I do is cancel the first letter ya, and that's it. Now read it. يشرب شرب. تشرب, she is drinking. What I need to do to change it to past? Delete and add it in the end. Put it back in the end with سكون. So read it now. شربت. تشرب شربت. تلعب لعبت. تسمع سمعت. Okay, next one. نشرب. We are drinking. نشرب. How to change it to verb in past? Delete the first one and add it back with a as well. So I add like this way. شربنا. شربنا. We drank. So one more time. نشرب. نشرب. Verb in present tense. نشرب. The past tense. Delete first letter and then شربنا. For she, I delete the first letter, which is a sign for present, and I put it back in the end. So شربت, like this way. شربت. Okay, here. For boy or for he, there is nothing to be added. Only delete the first letter and That's it. If I put the vowels on it to read it, sha, ra, ba. شرب, لعب, سمع, nothing to be added. About myself, I add t with dhamma. With dhamma. So شربت. Okay. This is a verb. I can go here again to check here. أنا adding ta in the end. Yeah, remember? ذهبت. هو nothing. I just need to put fatha in all the letters. ذهب, شرب, like this. For here, there's nothing in the beginning. See? ذهبت. For نحن, ذهبنا. Okay, so that was our lesson today about using verb in present tense. If I add here, if I add like أنا ألعب. How can we change this one now to past tense? Take some time, think. What do you think the answer? أنا, I cancelled in the beginning, and I put the word as it is, and I just need to add t with ضمة. لعبت. So that's what actually happened. Make it a bit smaller. أنا لعبت. I only add t. That's it, no more. Okay, can we practice this one together? أنا أسمع. I'm listening. How to change it? أنا what to do? Think. I cancel I put the word as it is. Nothing to be add, only t with ضمة. Okay. Okay, how about she? هي تسمع. She's listening. She is listening. So هي, now verb in past. Cancel the first letter and put the word as it is and just add it back here with سكون. سمعت. That's what only happened. Yeah. Another word. تلعب. She is playing. How to change it? Cancel the first ta and put it back in the end like this way with سكون. This is the only change happened. Okay, talking about boy now. هو يلعب. How to change it? هو, cancel the first letter and add the word as it is, nothing more. هو لعب. نحن نلعب. We are playing. So نحن, cancel the n in the beginning and add the word as it is. But you actually need to put na back. She's trying to come back to the word. Look what happened. Yeah. And I add a more. So this is the only thing I add one more letter. This is what happened in each word. Hope it was clear lesson today. And as used to, if you need any clarification or something is not clear, please email me. شكرا. مع السلامة.